Welcome to the Learning Express Prep Step TEAS tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to use Learning Express to access the TEAS practice tests. Your first step is to log into MyTeasCC, go to your Student Success Toolbox, expand Library, and under Databases, select Learning Express Prep Step. Here's the main interface. The first time you use Learning Express, you will need to register. Registration is free as a Del Tech student. If you have already registered in the past, you can sign in with your email address and password. On the registration page, you only need to enter your name, email, and create a password. You do not need to include student or course numbers. Your email address will function as your login ID. Now that you are registered, scroll down to Career Exploration and Job Preparation and select Career Preparation. Next, select Prepare for Nursing Exams. From here, you will scroll down to get a list of practice tests that are available. For this tutorial, I'm going to select ATI TEAS Preparation. The TEAS exam assesses 4 subjects: English and language usage, mathematics, reading, and science. For each subject, there are 2 practice tests and a study interactive. I'm interested in the TEAS English and language usage practice test 1, so I select Start Test. It takes us to an overview about the test. It's important to take a few minutes to read this. In the box on the right, it indicates that there are 33 questions on the test, and the test time is 37 minutes. Learning Express offers 3 different test modes to choose from: simulation, where the test stops when the timer is up; practice, where you see answer explanations after you have finished. This shows the clock but does not enforce the time. The third mode is learner mode, where you view the answers to each question as you go along to help you study. I'm going to select practice and then click on Start Test. Here's the first question. Note at the top of the screen there is the test time remaining bar. There is also a notepad to take notes if needed. You can also see that there is a flag next to the number of each question. Enables you to flag any questions you may want to go back to. I select my answer, then click on Next. Another nice tool in Learning Express is the Finish Later tool that allows you to stop the test in the middle and then finish later. To do that, click on Finish Later. You'll get this box and click on Save. This screen will come up and shows that the test has been saved. The next time you log in with your ID and password, you can go to My Center on the drop-down under your name. It shows that the TEAS English and Language Usage Practice Test 1 is in progress and available for you to continue. Once you've completed the test, click on Score My Test. It will then bring you to a screen asking if you want to jump to any of the questions you flagged for review. You can double check those questions or select Score to score your test. Here we see the score and breakdown of the different subcontent areas and topics assessed on the test. This score guide can help you determine the areas you may need to focus on when studying. You can also view your answers to see which questions you got incorrect. After selecting Review Your Answers, a screen comes up showing the questions you got correct and incorrect. I select number 26 to see what I got incorrect. It takes me to the question with the answer explanation. And finally, as you scroll down the score report page, Learning Express also provides recommendations of additional resources to help you improve your score. We hope you take advantage of this free to Del Tech students resource. If you have any questions, please stop by your campus library and talk to a librarian, or find us online in your Student Success Toolbox at Ask a Librarian or check out our research guides. Thank you.